Hello, greetings from sailing between Northern Ireland and Scotland today. So it's really exciting. So hiya. So we're on the Stena line, which is a Swedish ship, and it's sailing for about 2.5 hours between Scotland and Ireland, or Ireland and Scotland. And we're in the 10 forward lounge on the ship, which is really 8 forward because it's the 8th deck. And the ship's name is the Stena Superfast VII. So anyway, just take a look around there. You can see the whole 10 forward area here. And so it's a really nice ship. And you can sail. I mean, it's just so peaceful and relaxing. You don't even feel the motors going. And then if you look out here on the forward deck, you can see the bow on some of the cars there where they drive on and off. So it's really rather a short trip, and that's good because you can just stay in the lounge and hang out, and you don't have to worry about getting a cabin or anything for a longer trip. So that's pretty exciting. So just enjoying it, and we'll give you more details in Scotland. It's wonderful.